Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith. Today we're going to do what could be a really easy weeknight dinner. Crispy skin chicken with potatoes. And this will give you time to relax while it cooks. So first thing we're going to do, so this out of the way, let's put our potatoes, which we have sliced approximately 1/4 inch thick. We're just going to spread them in a oven-proof dish. Now, because I pre-sliced mine, they are soaking in water. Not necessary if you're slicing them and putting them in the pan right away. You don't need to put them in water first. I just do that so they don't discolor while I'm getting everything ready. And we're going to sprinkle our potatoes with about 1/2 teaspoon or so of salt. I normally don't use a whole lot of salt myself, so if you prefer things saltier, by all means add a little more, but don't go overboard. Potatoes like salt, but it can be what ruins a dish. And on top of that, we're going to sprinkle some sweet paprika and just drizzle lightly with a bit of olive oil. Then we're going to put our chicken on top of the potatoes. I have bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, which I find work best for this dish. And then just a little bit of paprika on the chicken. Then we are going to cover our dish with tin foil. Okay. This is going in the oven covered in tin foil for 30 minutes at 375. Then we're going to raise the temperature and remove the tin foil. After 30 minutes at 375, we're going to increase the temperature on the oven to 450, and we will put our chicken back in. After about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, your chicken should be nice and crispy, your potatoes are soft and lovely, and it's time for dinner. And if you want, steam some vegetables or make a salad, but you should have about an hour to relax. There's a quick and easy weeknight dinner for you. Some crispy skin chicken with potatoes and a steamed vegetable or salad if you like. Gives you time to sit down and relax and not have to worry about dinner. Throw it in the baking pan, stick it in the oven, set the timer. You only have to come back once to take the tinfoil off of it and raise the temperature. It is delicious, something the whole family will enjoy, and you can cook a lot of it at once so that you have something to warm up for dinner tomorrow or take for lunches. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, clicking on that bell icon so that you get informed when I put up a new video. I do put up videos every Sunday at midnight. If the video is a short one, there will be another video on Wednesday. Have a great day. I will see you again soon with a new video. Since this is going to be a very short video, there will be a second one coming this week. I will be doing a rhubarb pie. That video will come out on Wednesday.